So the big question is this: how do investors like us who trade options and manage our own money generate income regardless of where the stock market goes, and do it all in a way that lets us make time for the people and things we love, and yet still build wealth and remain profitable? That's the question, and this podcast will give you the answer. I'm your host, Kirk Duplessis, and you're listening to The Daily Call from Option Alpha. Hey everyone, this is Kirk here again from Option Alpha, and welcome back to The Daily Call. Today we're going to answer the question, does trend trading really work? And this, I think, is an interesting question because I think a lot of people will often hear terms like you have to follow the trend or the trend is your friend. And in many respects, it can be easy to dismiss this as just regular market banter or squawking from talking heads. So the question really is, does trend trading actually work? Can you follow some sort of trend system with quantifiable entry and exit points and figure out a way to create gains that are better than just randomly buy and hold or some other opportunity? And so the answer to this question is, I think, yes. Yes, trend trading on some level does work. There's been great research that have been done from a number of different institutions. Vanguard's done research on this. Meb Faber has got some great research on this if you search Cambria Investments, where they actually go through and they actually figure out what trend indicators ultimately end up working and how you can use these to improve long-term performance of buy and hold strategies. So again, this is more for the person who's interested in potentially buying and holding some sort of stock portfolio, or if you're forced to hold stock. As I've often heard people say, they can't trade options. So if they can't do it, what else can they do with their stock portfolio? You could probably entertain some sort of long-term trend buying strategy as well. My suggestion with this would be that you would also want to couple this with some of the research that we did on technical signals. A lot of the technical signals that we looked at actually had better performance on a much longer time frame. And what's interesting is that some of the technical signals like simple moving average and exponential moving average did not show to be highly reliable. So for us, we don't really use those as major indicators for trend trading, though some other people have done other research and suggested it might improve performance slightly over buying the S&P. We just found there was no real statistical, big improvement in doing it. So can it work? For sure. I think it can definitely help improve performance to, potentially get out at the right time or potentially enter at a better opportunity. I don't think you're going to see massive improvement over versus like trading an options strategy or using options trading strategies in a more effective use of capital. But ultimately, it is a strategy you can use to potentially enhance performance. So hopefully this helps out. As always, if you have any questions, let me know. And until next time, happy trading. Thanks for joining us on The Daily Call. Be sure to subscribe right now for more daily options trading ideas, strategies, and tactics to help you learn how to place smarter, more profitable trades. And if you like what we're doing, don't forget to give us a rating and a review so we can continue to bring you the best daily content possible. We'll see you again tomorrow, right here on The Daily Call from OptionAlpha.com.